Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 18th, and this is my analysis on the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think this is actually more likely to keep trending up. I think this is going to eventually take out these highs and most likely be a wave A or possibly a wave 1. So either way, whether it's a wave A or wave 1, it doesn't matter because either way we're going to be looking for longs on sort of time frames. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first move up is a 1. I think this move down is a 2. And I believe that this right here is a wave 3. Now, if this is a wave 3, then this has got a long ways to go to the upside to finish off this trend. A wave 3 needs to go beyond 100% of wave 1, so that means that this needs to go at least that high. But that doesn't mean there's not going to be a lot of pullbacks, especially on the shorter time frames, which, like I always say, pullbacks are very good for us because that gives us a chance to go long the whole way up and build a position. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this looks like a wave 1, this looks like an ABC of 2, and I do think that we're in the middle of a wave 3. We are making higher lows this whole way up, and as you'll notice, it looks like it's about to make a new higher low right here. Like I said, I do think this is just going to keep on going. I'm sure there's going to be lots of pullbacks along the way, but I do think it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, all part of a big wave 3. So taking it down even further to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, hopefully everybody can see this pattern. 3 waves down, very strong to the downside. That was a major bear trap right there. Everybody saw that and probably went short, but realistically, you should have been looking for longs still because the higher time frames were still telling you the trend was up. It never broke any structure to the downside. It made 3 waves down right to the 61.8. Nice impulsive move up. To me, that looks like the end of a correction, and I bet it will just keep on trending up from here, especially if we really are in a big wave 3 on the longer time frames. So let's take it down even further to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where you can actually start to make out this downtrend. Kind of looks like an A, and then a little 3-wave pattern for the B, and then a 1, 2, 3, probably 4, 5 of wave C. I would definitely consider this respecting the 61, even though it did go a little bit past it. Made an impulsive up, made a higher low. That was actually a very, very clear entry to go long right there. 3 waves down and impulsive move up at a Fibonacci level is exactly what I look for entries to go long, and I'm sure that this is not the end of it. This move up is not over. If when you have the end of a correction, it will take out the higher of the previous trend and most likely go a lot further than that. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.